Hi friends, welcome back to Olive's Vlog. Today we are in Banjara Layout near Bansawadi. Today we are going to see a house which is for sale. It's 4 BHK duplex house. The size of the plot is 26 into 60, 1560 square feet. North facing side, north facing door. It's Bikata property. This is the parking area. Here we have one borewell. The final works are going on. The parking area size 12 by 22. The entrance wall covered with tile up to ceiling. This is the garden space. All windows are wooden windows. Teakwood main door, north facing. This is the living area, 22 by 18. All floorings are granite flooring. Large windows are provided. Here we have POP false ceiling with LED light. TV unit also provided. The full details given below in the description. Please read it and watch the full video. And subscribe the channel, click the bell icon so you can get the notification for the new updation. This is the dining space, 16 by 11. This is the kitchen, modular kitchen. Kitchen size 11 into 13. We have lot of storage. Steel baskets also provided. Four BHK duplex, total 4 houses available for sale. For more information, please contact us. The contact details also given below in the description. Here we have utility space, secured with safety grille. This is the first bedroom with attached bathroom. Cupboard facility also provided with dressing unit. Bedroom size 11.5 into 11.5. This is the attached bathroom. Tile covered with up to ceiling. The final works are going on. Let's go on to the first floor. SS hand railings also provided with 12 mm toughened glass. Staircase width 3.5 feet. Here we have family living. $12:15. TV unit also provided. This is the master bedroom. 15:16.5. Spacious bedroom. Here also we have POP false ceiling with LED light. All floorings are granite flooring. Cupboard facility also provided. The nearby locations are Hormavur, Bansavadi, Kalkeri, KR-Puram and Ramurthy Nagar. Dressing unit also provided. This is the attached bathroom. Bathtub also provided. L covered with up to ceiling. We got separate shower area. For BHK duplex, total 4 houses available for sale. For more information, please contact us. The contact details given below in the description. This is the third bedroom with attached bathroom. The size 11.6 into 13.6. Cupboard facility and dressing unit also provided. This bedroom also we have attached bathroom. All bathrooms still covered with up to ceiling. Here we have one common bathroom. This is the fourth bedroom, 10:14. Dressing unit also provided. Cupboard facility also provided. This bedroom we have balcony also. SS handlings also provided with toughened glass. Balcony size 9x4.6. The full details given below in the description. Please read it. Let's move on to the terrace. Here we have skylight provision. For more information, please contact us. The contact details also given below in the description. Safety door also provided. Terrace area. The nearby locations are Hormavur, Bansavadi, Kalkeri, Ramurthy Nagar and KR-Puram. Here we have utility room. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so you can get the notification for the new updation. Thank you.